Problem 5. The letters P, Q, R, S, and T represent numbers on a number line, with P near negative 2.7, Q at negative 1, R just above 0, S near 0.7, and T at 1. Which of the following expressions represents a negative number? The choices are P minus Q, P times Q, the quantity S over Q times P, the quantity R over the product P times Q, and the quantity S plus T over R. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Test each sign using the values. Only P minus Q is negative. So P minus Q is negative, choice A.